In this Google Sheets tutorial, you will learn how to filter data using the filter function. The filter function in Google Sheets is a powerful tool used to filter and display data from a range based on specified criteria. It allows you to extract and display only the rows that meet the conditions you set, making it easier to analyze and organize your data. The syntax for the filter function is equals filter, range, condition 1, condition 2. Here's a breakdown of its components. Range, the range of cells you want to filter. Condition 1, the first condition that must be met for a row to be included in the filtered result. Condition 2, optional additional conditions that must also be met for a row to be included in the filtered result. You can add as many conditions as needed. The equals filter function will return an array containing only the rows that meet all specified conditions. Let's go through a few examples, which illustrate how the equals filter function works. Example 1. Filter by department. In our first example, we'll filter employees by department. Let's say we want to see a list of employees who work in the IT department. In an empty cell, let's type the following formula. This formula will display a new table containing only the employees from the IT department. The first parameter, A2, D11, is the range of data we want to filter. The second parameter, B2, B11 equals IT, sets the condition that only rows with IT in the department column should be included. Example 2, filter by salary. Now let's filter employees by salary. Suppose we want to see a list of employees earning more than $60,000. In an empty cell, let's type the following formula. This formula will display a new table with employees who have a salary greater than $60,000. Example 3. Filter by multiple conditions. Finally, let's see how to filter data using multiple conditions. We'll filter employees who work in the finance department and earn more than $50,000. In an empty cell, let's type the following formula. This formula will display a new table containing employees from the finance department with a salary greater than $50,000. We use an asterisk to combine the two conditions. Using filter function with drop-down menu. Now, let's make our filtering more dynamic by using a drop-down menu. We'll create a drop-down menu to select a department and then use the filter function to display employees from the chosen department. Click on an empty cell where you want the drop-down menu. Go to Data, Data Validation, and click Add Rule. In the Criteria section, choose drop-down from a range and select the range containing the department names. Click Done. Now you have a drop-down menu with department names. In an empty cell, let's type the following formula. Replace F1 with the cell containing the drop-down menu. You can see the similarity with the previously used formula, which filtered the data by the IT department. The difference is that now, the formula will not filter data by the name IT, but by the value selected in the drop-down menu. As you can see, the formula displays employees from the department chosen in the drop-down menu. Filter function with a second sheet. Finally, let's learn how to use the filter function to display filtered data on a separate sheet. Click on the plus sign icon at the bottom of the window to create a new sheet. In the new sheet, select an empty cell where you want to display the filtered data. Type the equals filter function with your chosen conditions, but make sure to include the original sheet's name before each range, like this. This formula will create a new table displaying employees from the marketing department on the second sheet. In this case, the name of the source sheet is Sheet 1. Remember to replace Sheet 1 with the name of your source sheet containing your data. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to stay up to date with new videos, don't forget to subscribe.